Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Calendly to Slack, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Log into your Calendly account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and click on your account name. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. Scroll down until you find the Slack integration option. Click on the Connect button next to the Slack option. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in to your Slack account. Enter your Slack workspace URL and click Continue. Authorize Calendly to access your Slack account by clicking the Allow button. You will be redirected back to the Calendly integrations page. Here, you can customize how Calendly sends notifications to Slack. Select the specific Slack channel where you'd like to receive notifications. Optionally, you can customize the messages that will be sent to Slack. Once you're satisfied with your settings, save your preferences. Now, go back to your Calendly dashboard. Create a new event type or select an existing one. In the event type settings, scroll down to the Notifications and Cancellation Policies section. Enable the Slack notifications for the event. Test the integration by scheduling a meeting with someone. Confirm that notifications are sent to your chosen Slack channel. That's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.